How to buy fish in Fishdom. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming for Beginners. Today I am going to guide you how to buy fish in Fishdom. Buying fish in Fishdom is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Fishdom app. Launch the game on your mobile device. Tap on the plus icon. On the screen, you will typically see a plus icon or add fish button. Tap on it to access the fish store. Browse available fish. You will be taken to the fish store where you can browse various fish available for purchase. Choose the fish. Select the fish you want to buy. The fish will be displayed with a price, either coins or diamonds. Purchase the fish. Tap the buy button, usually a coin or diamond icon, next to the fish you want to buy. Confirm the purchase when prompted. Place the fish in your aquarium. Once purchased, the fish will be added to your aquarium. You can see them swimming around. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can buy fish in Fishdom.
If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.